Andrew.
Chef Carlo. And we're back with more talking food.
4-bean salad. 4-bean salad.
4 beans? Why not 5 beans? What's wrong with 5 beans?
Because I like it 4. You can make a 10-bean salad.
You could.
Yes, I like it 4, and it's a round even number.
It's a lot of fiber.
This is the way my mama taught me.
Okay.
Okay, first of all.
Ciao, mama.
Ciao, mama.
Ciao, mama.
Okay, so I want you to semi-concasedo. So I just want you to rip the innards out.
Rip the innards out?
Just give me a nice dice on those tomatoes. It's going to look good. While we do that, I have, and nowadays, organic beans are becoming really available. They're really nice. They're ready. You can cook your own or just use a can. I like to use cans, and I put them on a colander. So I use 1 can of pinto beans, 1 can of Great Northern.
Great Northern?
Northern.
Now, how is that? That looks like a chickpea.
No, it's chickpea is this one.
Oh,
Great Northern is that one.
Okay.
Kind of look the same. 1 can of chickpeas.
They're white beans.
White beans. And dark red kidney beans. I love this. So this is usually what I put in my chili when I do it with beans.
Lots of kidney beans in my chili too.
I want to drain all the juices. You can also rinse them if you want. You can just rinse them underwater. Some people say they remove the can taste. I say, I don't think what you can do about it. Just the taste will be there. I'm gonna actually add red onions. I'm gonna add garlic, which I'm gonna get little quick dice here.
Keep beating the garlic. Poor garlic.
I beat the garlic all the time. I'm a garlic beater.
You need a shirt that says I'm a garlic beater.
Business opportunity right there. Garlic beater.
Garlic and bacon.
Garlic and bacon beater.
Greatest
That's
things
gonna be
ever.
delicious. Okay, so if you do not like garlic, get what? Guess what? Don't add garlic.
You don't have to. There's no rule.
You don't have to. Red onion. I'm gonna do.
Instead of 4-bean salad, this could be your bean salad. See, you don't have to add the garlic.
I am very glad that you are a musician and a TV studio manager, because I don't know how would it go on the stand-up department. And listen, I love to sing in the shower, but you never hear. I know exactly. I will not be able to make a living out of singing.
You don't sing here in the culinary kitchen?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Only for my students.
Oh, okay. Poor students. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Ethan, is he that bad? He's not bad.
So I like to give myself enough room to condiment and dress my salad. So it's very simple. I'm gonna add my 1 clove of garlic.
1 clove of garlic. Check.
I have like 1/4 of a red onion.
1/4 of a red onion. Check.
Medium dice.
Medium dice.
No, that's like fine dice. I'm gonna add my beans. Nicely drained.
Boom. Beans.
They go in the thing.
Tomatoes.
Tomato, please.
Tomatoes going in.
That's like,
That's a medium dice.
I think there is a video on how to concasse a tomato, how to dice a tomato. Nash CC. No.
Go to YouTube, look up NCC Culinary.
NCC Culinary, and it's better than that.
Yes, it is. You get what you pay for. You ain't paying for me.
No, sir, but we're having fun with you.
Pepper.
1 good pinch of pepper, 3 good pinches of salt, and we have done the difference between a pinch of salt. Pinch is 3 fingers. Boom, right there. 2 fingers. Look at the difference. Boom. Balsamic vinegar. You're gonna put about 4 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar.
That's 1.
Actually, you're done. 2 is fine.
Okay.
And now you're gonna put a gentle amount of olive oil. That means half the container.
For him, it means half. Just a little bit of olive oil. We're going to put it in here. That's half. We need about 6 gallons of olive oil to go in
È
here.
delizioso, sa molto bene. Dai, dai.
Cup.
Ma dai.
You tell me when.
They just go. Ma dai.
That's pretty good.
Go ahead.
Oh man.
Olive oil, just add some more. I'm telling you, probably like a half a cup.
Okay, well that was more than half a cup. We're good.
Oh Lord.
I'm telling you, man.
Okay, so we got the salt, we got the pepper.
I'm telling you.
Oh boy. Here, start tossing the salad.
It's a 4-bean salad, not an olive oil with beans in it.
That was the original title of the recipe. It was an olive oil
with
dressing.
beans. Olive oil with beans.
It's olive oil. Okay, I love parsley. There's nothing like just fresh chopped parsley. I don't like to chop it and leave it there. I like to just, as I use it, if I slice a finger while your elbow is like protruding into my
left-handed, chef. I was
eyeball.
over on the wrong side. That was loud, sorry.
Yeah, let me see. Look, a birdie over there.
Where?
There.
Oh.
There's a birdie.
Oh my God, more olive oil from the sky. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Just change the show to olive oil with Chef Carlo.
Toss that salad. Toss that salad. Oh, look at you. Now, I know it's an interesting amount of olive oil, but trust me, it's going to play well. It's going to become creamy as you mix it with the other ingredients. And of course, the bean salad, as it's ready, as it's ready, it's good to go. I like to leave it in the fridge for at least 1 day, so all the flavors can meld in. Now,
What's that?
The stems of the parsley.
Oh.
I like to add the stem of the parsley, and I slice them really, I slice them paper thin, like that, really paper thin, and that gives them a crunchiness to the salad without adding too much.
That's interesting.
Listen, I love parsley. I make it happen. You see? Look how
It's as
tiny
small
that
as
is.
couscous.
It's as small as couscous.
It's tiny.
And so that gives it a crunchiness, and I love parsley. Like there is this tabbouleh, it's this parsley salad that Lebanese people make. It's just basically parsley dressed with other things. You see any oil pulling at the bottom?
Yeah, no.
No, well,
He
there you
was
go.
right, I was wrong.
No, it's not about being wrong or right. It's about teaching you how to do it this way.
Yes,
Try
chef. Yes, chef.
it. Yeah, chef. See, he
chef.
learns.
Good. That's good. Let me a hair bit more salt.
Yeah. Okay, it's gonna need more salt. Now,
There we go.
you're gonna have a little bit of peppery bitterness that comes from this guy.
Oh, gotcha.
That's what makes it different. Some people might find that offensive. Oh, it's a little bitter because we're using high quality extra virgin olive oil. If you don't like this olive oil, just use plain oil. You can use safflower oil, peanut oil. You can use sunflower seed oil. They're all good. Oh, look at you, ready to present. Go
I've
ahead,
been on
my
this show a couple times. I know you can't serve it like this.
And why is that?
I don't know, man. You give me a couple crackers and I'm gonna have a good time.
I mean, we're putting all this effort to make it look pretty. You can't just serve it like that.
Ants?
No, you cannot. You can't.
It's a lot of beans, baby.
I know. And beans are a great source of protein. They are
fiber.
and fiber. They're healthy.
Yes, they are.
They have link. They have linked to good healthy eating. And there's cultures around the planet that survive on rice and beans.
That's right.
It looks like I committed like parsley homicide here. The spices all over the place.
You committed parsley homicide.
Boom. 4-bean salad.
And there you have
Boom.
it.
Ready.
4-bean salad.
Again, I like it when I let it sit in the fridge overnight. It tastes better the next day.
All the flavors marry.
They marry. Pull it out of the fridge at least an hour before serving, so it comes to room temp. There you have it. You're gonna serve a steak. You can serve that as a side dish.
That sounds really good.
Well, thank you. Anything else you want to say about my bean salad?
No.
Then we're done.
It looks amazing.
Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here and
I'm
being
always
part
here
of the
with you.
show.
Thank you for being here. You couldn't do this show without me.
I know. I wouldn't be able. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Leave a comment, subscribe, do the thing, like, dislike.
Thumbs.
Let us know.
Whatever. Let us know if that's too much olive oil.
It's not.
See ya.